Hey guys, I'm back again with our crystallizing video. We have hypoallergenically frozen our two crystal sheets, so slime crystal sheets, for an hour and a half. Hypoallergenically freezing is when you freeze it for at least freezing point or lower. So basically stick it in your freezer for an hour and a half and then room temperature it for the rest till you make the video. But remember, it can only go 2 days and I did this yesterday. So, we have our ingredients, our salt and cinnamon sugar. Now I'm going to make a little mix of them in a small little cup. So,
I'm in the background here?
yeah, I'll edit it out. So, what we do is put in a tiny bit of salt, doesn't matter how much, just about, maybe fill up the glass up a millimeter high or whatever. It's all got in my eye. I'm gonna put this back. Just goes right here. Next you have your cinnamon sugar, which can substitute for an antioxidant if you don't have any. Which I don't. So I actually need direct measurement for it. I need a teaspoon of it. So I gotta find a teaspoon. Fourth of a teaspoon is for you. 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay. So I only have 1/4 teaspoon, so I gotta fill up 4 of these with cinnamon sugar. Just brush your finger along the top to make sure you get the exact measurement. Put it in the cup. Mix it around. See, I wipe off the excess. 2 more of these. Better to wipe it off in the jar. So. And there's my dad. I might edit you out, Dad. And I post this on YouTube. And then last one. Okay, so that won't be it for our measuring spoon, but that will be it for our cinnamon sugar. So let's put the cinnamon sugar back. Okay, so now mix it up. We need a suppressor. And many people don't know what a suppressor is, but I'll give you an example. This is something that goes near your sink. This is something you use to wash your hands. You gotta wash first. This out. And gotta scrub it off. No more antioxidant substitutes in it. Because cinnamon and sugar should combine, make what you believe is an antioxidant substitute called a carbon, I think it's carbon-oxidant or something like carbon bioxidant, something like that. Okay, so you're gonna fill this up with 2. So, you gotta have a 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap or detergent for your antioxidant suppressor. And there you go. I'm gonna just stir that all up with a spoon. Kind of smells like apple cider, but more disgusting. So to after you have these hypoallergenically frozen, we're gonna freeze these again after this. So you're just gonna apply it, spread it. It should dissolve throughout the crystals, freezing them in contact forever. As you can see there. These will be frozen forever if I just stick these in the freezer for another, like, an hour and a half. So you get another. Doesn't matter how much you use. Just matters that it has an antioxidant and a carbon dioxide suppressor. So basically all you need is dish soap, salt, and cinnamon sugar, food coloring, vegetable oil, and water to make this. Well, and paper towels and a freezer. A functioning freezer and an 1.5-hour timer. So out of all the science experiments I've done, this is probably by far the cheapest because you're not using any chemicals or rocks or anything. Or hypoallergenic tests. Okay, so you don't need this anymore, but I guess it will be nice to keep in case I do later. So I have these two done. These two, you just want to mush them together. Just gently pull apart, and they should melt onto each other perfectly. So now you have these crystals. It's up to you what you want to do with them, but I think they're pretty cool suppressors, if I say so myself, because this is a suppressor that just demonstrates chemistry. You can make really cool designs with these in artwork. Like this one is like splattered. It didn't come out too well. This one is pretty cool. It's a tie-dye. And you can do all different colors, put them on one sheet, and it suppress them with an antioxidant and carbon dioxide suppressor, and you get them forever. So I did these tie-dye and splattered. You just have to freeze them for an 1.5 hours before you put the suppressor, and an 1.5 hours after you put the suppressor. So I'm going to open my freezer. Just gotta check the time. How am I doing? Okay, got like 4 minutes left. So these two are going to go into the freezer. Where can I put them? Put them right here. Next, very important, because sometimes when you're working with suppressors, they can be lethal. Depends on what the ingredients are. I'm not sure about the suppressor. I think if it was a carbon monoxide, if we had, so I'm looking for a carbon monoxidant, then it would be lethal, because carbon monoxide gas would be in there. But since we don't, I'm pretty sure it's perfectly fine. But I'm not sure about the dish soap and the cinnamon sugar together, because I'm pretty sure that does make a carbon, what's it called? I keep forgetting. It would be carbon monoxide gas, but it would be in the form of suppressor. I'm not sure what it is, but it's like carbon monoxide suppressor. But if, again, salt can be used to dull the taste, so I'm pretty sure it can dull senses. I have no idea. Salt sort of acts like cocaine, but salt is for chemistry and cocaine is for the human body. Can use it medically, I guess. So anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you had fun and learned this. Hope you can try it again safely though. You will need parents' supervision, even though I didn't have mine, because I did it at school and I looked some tips up on the internet, but to make it work. But anyway, this has been one of my chemistry videos. Until next time.